Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our max class. Today, we are going to continue the chapter Inside Numbers with a new topic, Highest Common Factor or HCF. HCF may be found out by three methods. First method is by finding the factors and common factors. Find the common factors and highest common factor of the number pairs. First question, 28 and 20. First of all, we have to find out the factors of 28. Factors of 28 can be found out by writing the number as pair of factors. That is, 1 into 28 equal 28, 2 into 14 equal 28, 3 is not a factor of 28, then 4 into 7 equal 28, then the factors of 28 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now, we have to find out the factors of 20. Write the factors of 20 as pair of factors. 1 into 20 equal 20, 2 into 10 equal 20 and 4 into 5 equal 20. Now, any more factor pairs? No, that's all. Then factors of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now we have to find out the common factors of 28 and 20. Common factors of 28 and 20 is equal to, here 1 is a common factor. 2 is also common for both 20 and 28. Then 4 is also a common factor. 7, 14, 28, 5, 10 and 20 are not common. Then the common factors of 28 and 20 are 1, 2 and 4. Now we have to find out the highest common factor, that is HCF of the number. Here, the highest common factor or HCF is equal to 4. Is it clear for you children? Next, we shall move to the next method through prime factorization of numbers. Here, we are going to find out the highest common factor or HCF of the number pairs through prime factorization of numbers one by one. First of all, we have to find out the prime factorization of 28. In 28, 8 is in the ones place. Then it is divisible by 2. Then 2 is a factor of 28. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, the number in the ones place of 14 is 4. Then it is divisible by 2. 2 into which number gives 14? 2 into 7 equal 14. Then 7 is also a factor of 14. Write 7 below 14. Now, we have to find out the factorization of 36. With which number 36 is divisible? 6 is in the ones place. Then it is divisible by 2. Then 2 is a factor of 36. For finding the other factor of 36, we have to divide 36 by 2. 36 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. How many times? Yes. Is 1 time. 1 into 2 equal 2. Then 3 minus 2 equal 1. Bring 6 below here. 1 will become 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 2 into 8 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Now write 18 below 36. Now 8 is in the ones place. Then 18 is divisible by 2. 2 into which number gives 18? 2 into 9 equal 18. Then 9 is a factor of 18. 9 is divisible by 3. Then write 3 to the left. 3 into 3 equal 9. Then write 3 below 9. Now we got all the prime factors of these two numbers. Then 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. Now we have to write the prime factors of 36. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to find out the prime factors which are common. Here 2 is common and another 2 is also common for both the numbers. No other numbers are common for both these numbers. Then HCF is equal to the prime factors which are common for both the numbers. That is 2 into 2. That is equal to 4. Is it clear for you, children? Next is to find out the HCF by the third method through prime factorization by taking the numbers together. First question, find the HCF of 36 and 48. We have to find out the prime factorization of 36 and 48 by taking them together. With which number 36 and 48 is divisible? Here in 36, 6 is in the ones place and in 48, 8 is in the ones place. Then both these numbers are divisible by 2. Now divide 36 by 2. 3 divided by 2 equal 1. Balance 1. 1 and 6 makes 16. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Then we got 18. Now divide 48 by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 48 divided by 2 equal 24. Now with which number both 18 and 24 are divisible? Both 18 and 24 are divisible by 2. Then find out 18 divided by 2 equal 9 and 24 divided by 2 equal 12. Right? 9 and 12 below 18 and 24. Now we have to find out with which number both 9 and 12 are divisible. Both 9 and 12 are divisible by 3. Then 9 divided by 3 equal 3 and 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Is it possible to divide both 3 and 4 with the same number? No, it is not possible to divide 3 and 4 with the same number. Then HCF is equal to the prime factors that are common for both 36 and 48. That is the number that comes on the left side while making factorization. That is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 equal 4. 4 into 3 equal 12. Is it clear for you? There is a homework activity for you. Do it well. That's all for today, children. We shall continue this chapter on the next day. Okay? Thank you.